What if I tell you that creating nursery rhyme cartoons using only your phone is actually possible today?
Many people think creating animated kids' videos requires expensive software, computers, and professional editing experience to begin.
I discovered a simple method using free AI tools that help me create nursery rhymes step by step. Before showing the process, let me quickly play the nursery rhyme video created using these simple AI tools.
Little blue shoe went tap, tap, tap. Woke up early from a tiny nap. Looked all around with a worried face. My little foot has left this place. Oh no, where did my foot go? Fast or slow? I really don't know. Skip, skip, skip down the road, looking for my foot to hold.
First, I open ChatGPT and ask for nursery rhyme ideas to generate fresh concepts for children's content. For example, type this, list out 10 new rhymes titles for me to use in creating fun kids' nursery rhymes. ChatGPT will provide the multiple titles, and I carefully choose the one matching my content direction best. Then I will select my favorite title and ask ChatGPT to generate complete song lyrics for the nursery rhyme by typing. Generate the lyrics for number 10, titled Timmy and the Talking Drum. ChatGPT will generate the lyrics out. Within seconds, the lyrics appear and become the foundation for creating my animated children's video project completely. Next, I ask ChatGPT to create detailed scene prompts describing every visual needed for the animation process. I usually request colorful styles like Little Angel-inspired cartoons, Cocomelon, or pixel animations for attractive visuals online. After generating the prompts scene by scene, I copy each scene and move to Qwen AI through my browser. I paste the prompt and allow Qwen AI generate images based on the scene descriptions automatically for me. Once the images finish generating, I convert each one into animated videos directly inside the platform easily. By tapping on the animated image, scroll down and tap on this place where it says Create Video. Then I wait for the image to load. Once the image is loaded, I paste the video prompt again and wait for a few minutes for it to generate. Now our animated video is ready. I tap on it to play. And see how lovely it is. To download the video, just hold it down and select Download. The video will be downloaded into your phone automatically. I repeat this same process until every single scene for the nursery rhyme animation becomes completely ready. After creating the visuals, I return to ChatGPT and copy the lyrics for generating the song using another AI tool. I open my browser, search for Suno AI, and paste my lyrics for automatic music generation using different creative song styles. Suno creates several song versions, allowing me to choose the one matching my nursery rhyme mood perfectly today. I tap on each to play and select the one I prefer.
Timmy, Timmy, one bright day, found a little drum at play.
Timmy, one bright day, found a little drum at
Tap on
play.
these three dots to download it directly to your phone. So now I have both my animated scenes and nursery rhyme audio prepared already for my kiddies rhyme. Next, I open CapCut and combine all scenes together while removing unwanted sounds from the generated animation clips. After removing the unwanted sound by reducing the volume, export the video and upload it on InShot to add the rhyme. The reason is because CapCut Free Plan does not support adding audio from your device, but InShot does. Better still, you can even edit everything on InShot instead of editing on CapCut first, depending on how you prefer it. This is how smart creators create kiddies cartoons, nursery rhymes, and other fun activities for kids using these free AI tools. So now let's play the nursery rhyme I just created.
Bright day.
Wow, this looks amazing, and everything was made using AI tools. Next, export your video and save it properly before moving to the final step of your creation process. Take note, if you want to learn how to remove watermarks from videos or pictures completely free today, type out watermark remover in the comment section and I'll create another quick tutorial showing the complete process freely. Subscribe now for more AI tutorials and digital skills that help beginners create amazing content. Thank you.